Now, if you have a noisy power steering system like this car does, and you want to do a quick job and you're in a bind to quiet it down, you can just drain and fill the fluid in the reservoir. However, the filter is also located in the bottom of this reservoir, so it's a better idea to change the entire reservoir itself. Then you'll have a new filter with fresh fluid in the system. Now, since this is a messy job, I'm going to need a pair of gloves. And we'll start by removing the fluid from the container here by using a turkey baster. And we'll put the old fluid into an empty bottle. Now you want to just carefully do this so you don't spill it all over the engine bay, and just try to get as much as you can from the reservoir. Now this fluid looks really dark and is probably way overdue for a service. Now we have two 10mm nuts to remove right here that secure the reservoir to the bracket to the car. Now make sure you remove the flat washer as well. Now there will be some residual fluids spilling from our two hose connections here once we remove them. So we'll put some rags underneath just in case any fluid spills out. Let's also remove these guide pins here on the bracket just to make sure they don't fall out. Alright, let's pry off our first hose here. Now it does look like quite a bit of fluid will drain from this power steering line, so I'm going to put a bit more paper towel down in here. And I'll put some paper towel into this inlet just to make sure it stops leaking out into the car. So as we loosen up this hose here with our flathead screwdriver, it will be very slippery because we've been using, we've been in contact with oils, so be sure not to slip and you know, cut yourself or stab yourself with the screwdriver. Now, even though we purchased a new reservoir, the new reservoir kit does not come with this bracket. So we'll loosen up the 10mm bolt here and transfer this bracket here to the new reservoir. Okay, here is our new reservoir. Has the correct CHF11S logo on the cap. This is a genuine BMW made in Germany reservoir, and we'll just install our new bracket. We'll install our new OEM clamp. Now be sure to put the clamp on first. Slide our reservoir into place. And this factory clamp just squeezes together at these 2 points here. Okay, let's clean up our mounting point here. Remember to install the guide pins in the bushings. Reinstall the 2 washers and tighten down the 10mm nuts. And finally, we'll refill our reservoir here with a fresh container of the appropriate fluid, which for my car is CHF11S. And finally, we will reinstall the cap and then take it back out to check the fluid level. This bottom line here is the low mark, and the high fill line is this top mark. As you can see, we just barely hit that low fill line, so we will need to put a little more fluid in. Not quite there, just a little bit more. And there we go, right at the top line. Now, to continue flushing out this system, what I'm going to do is drive the car for a little while, maybe a day or two, and then I'm going to evacuate this reservoir again with our turkey baster and refill it, and just keep doing so until the fluid here stays clean.